guys, let's start with the chapter 3 of Deep Water, a Flamingo. This is written by the author William Douglas. This is a story about the author trying to learn swimming, feeling fear, the deep fears we have. That's the main theme, that he how he overcame his fear of water. He's saying that when he was 10 or 11 years old, he wanted to learn to swim. So he was from Yakima. There was a pool at YMCA that gave him the opportunity to learn swimming. The Yakima River was treacherous. That means that it was a bit dangerous. So the mother continually warned, like वहाँ पे there are cases of people drowning in the water, but the YMCA pool was safe. वो बस 2 या 3 फीट डीप था द शैलो एंड इट वाज 9 फीट डीप एट द डीप एंड. So it was a gradual drop, decent enough. He got a pair of water wings. That's basically which will help him keep afloat. And then he went to the pool. This is a river mainly, the Yakima River. He didn't wanted to walk naked into it and show his skinny legs, but he subdued his pride and anyways as he wanted to learn, he had to do that. और बचपन से उसको एक वाटर से एवर्जन टू वाटर मीन्स अ फियर टू वाटर, लाइक वो चीज नहीं पसंद है उसको. बट और ये स्टार्ट क्यों हुआ था, व्हाई वाज इट स्टार्टेड दिस, बिकॉज व्हेन ही वाज 3 या 4 years old हिज फादर टुक हिम टू द बीच इन कैलिफोर्निया. वहां पे he and his father stood on the surf. He hung onto him और फिर भी the waves knocked him down and swept over me. So वो पानी के अंदर चला गया था despite their father being there. So his breath was gone and एक बार ऐसे इंसिडेंट होने के बाद he was frightened and terrified. Like उसके फादर को पता था कि कुछ होने वाला नहीं है, he'll save him, but उसके लिए तो वो टेररस एक्सपीरियंस था क्योंकि he couldn't breathe, he couldn't see, वो पानी में अंदर दब दब गया था. So like now when he was 10 or 11 years old and now he's went to YMCA to learn it, that brought back him unpleasant memories and stirred childhood fears. But धीरे धीरे he gathered the confidence. He got new water wings. He watched the other boys learn, and then he tried this too, those 13 times on different times. So धीरे धीरे he started being comfortable with the water. And just when he was about to be comfortable, he went to the pool again to practice. और तब वहाँ पे कोई नहीं था. He was a bit timid, मतलब he was a bit afraid about going in alone. So he thought that he sat on वो बाजू में बैठेगा जब तक कोई और नहीं आ जाता. He was just there and a big bruiser boy, मतलब कोई probably 18 साल का लड़का आया होगा. He had also been there to swim. तो वो आया होगा. He had a good physique. He had a good physique. He had good muscle. And the big boy asked the poet William if how he had like to be ducked. So बस पूछ के उसने उसको उठा के डीप एंड में डाल दिया. उठा के वहां पे, और वहां पे और कोई था नहीं. So he landed in a sitting position. He swallowed the water. He ran, मतलब अब उसको ऐसे ही फेंक दिया तो ही वो नीचे चला गया. फिर he again came up. He was frightened. He had thought कि जब मैं नीचे 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 जाऊंगा he'll hit the bottom and then he'll just push with his legs to come back up like a spring. But it was a very long way down क्योंकि वो 9 फीट डीप था. His lungs were already, क्योंकि आप इतना टाइम पानी में अंदर हो, and if you're not practice or if you're not trained enough, so your lungs will pain. It will burst. So, but when he was already at the bottom, he gave up all his strength to make a great spring upwards. बट ऑब्वियसली वो नहीं होने वाला. लाइक अगर आप थोड़ा फिजिक्स से सोचो तो अगर आप 9 फीट डीप जा रहे हो अंदर, आप ऐसे इफ यू विल जंप यू वोंट जस्ट कम अप लाइक अ कॉक. he wanted that he would come to the surface like a cork, but वो नहीं होने वाला. He came up very slowly, and he just had water, water, water. He was panicked. He panicked so bad. He tried कि कुछ पकड़ के ऊपर आ सको, but वहां पे कुछ था नहीं, बस पानी था. तो पानी कैसे पकड़ता वो? He was suffocating. He tried कि मैं चिल्ला दूं, पर पानी के अंदर वो कैसे चिल्लाएगा? When he's already inside, तो वो चिल्ला ही नहीं पाएगा. उसका सब पानी से भरा हुआ था, उसकी आंखें, nose, everything. He flailed at the surface of the water. He swallowed. He choked. He tried कि मैं वो उसके legs भी ऊपर लेके आए, but he was just terrified. वो panic हो गया था, तो वो कुछ कर नहीं पाएगा. And he thought that नीचे से उसको कुछ pull कर रहा था. Then he struck at the water, expending my strength as one in a nightmare fights an irresistible force. He had lost all his breath. His lungs aged. His head throbbed. He was just getting dizzy and ये सब. वापस he remembered that he was just spring bottoms or he will come like a cork to the surface. But he just went on going down and down. कुछ हुआ नहीं. And like he was then sheer stark terror. ये सारे वर्ड्स मैं इसलिए हाईलाइट कर रही हूँ because use them in your answers. That will bring clarity. ये सारे जो words है बस keep on using them. Terror that knows no control. Terror that no one can understand who has not experienced it. He was paralyzed underwater. Like उसको चिल्लाना था, वो चिल्ला भी नहीं पा रहा था. His head was pounding. And then he just thought of a reason that he must remember to jump when he hit the bottom. He jumped with everything he had. Like उसके अंदर जितनी भी जान थी, he tried to jump but he couldn't. This jump didn't make any difference only. The water was still. He saw कि कुछ ropes, कुछ ladders, कुछ water wings, कुछ भी मिल जाए. But उसके आसपास बस पानी ही था. Just yellow water. He trembled. He shook. His arms couldn't move. His legs couldn't move. He tried to call for help. Mother, nothing. वो कुछ कर ही नहीं पाया. फिर अचानक से there was light. He was coming out of the awful yellow water. Like धीरे धीरे he tried to suck for air. He got water. He got light. Then later on, he relaxed. His legs felt limp. It was like अब वो पैनिक नहीं कर रहा था क्योंकि उसको कुछ निकाल रहा था. He was out of the water now. It was like it was nice, drowsy. He was just too tired now. He was just being carried gently to float along in the space. I crossed to oblivion, meaning he had just passed out. क्योंकि जब जब उसको बाहर निकाला, फिर he had just like passed out completely. The next thing which he remembers is he was lying on the stomach beside the pool. Like वो पूल के बाजू में, ये सब उसके अंदर की फीलिंग्स है जब तक वो पानी के अंदर था. नाउ ही इज आउट ऑफ द पूल. अब वो उसको कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा क्योंकि उसको किसी ने निकाला. ही couldn't feel his senses as well. All he could remember is that he was vomiting beside the pool. So the 18-year-old guy who threw him, he said that he was just trying to play around with it. He was just fooling around. But किसी और ने बोला that the kid could have died. So later on, like 3-4 घंटे बाद, several hours later, he walked home. He was weak. He was trembling. He was cried. Like वो खा भी नहीं पाया क्योंकि obviously उसके अंदर अब वो fear बैठ गया था. He had been to a near death experience. Not once but twice. That too in water. So for days वो fear उसके अंदर रह गया था. He would be sick. He never went back to the pool again. He feared water. He avoid मतलब वो जितना हो सके उसको अवॉइड कर रहा था. फिर थोड़े अगेन, अभी तो वो 11 बार था. फिर थोड़े सालों बाद he got to know that the waters of cascades. He wanted to get into them. And whenever he did, he was whether I was wading the tear tunnel, bumping river, or bathing in the warm light of the goat troughs. Remember these three places, they are important. उसका उसको वो उसका पूल का टेरर जो उसको लड़के ने डाल दिया था अंदर, दैट वुड सीज हिम. His legs would be paralyzed. His heart would be filled with horror. This stayed with him for years. लाइक अगर वो मेन लेक्स में फिशिंग इन कैंप्स ऑफ मेन लेक्स फिशिंग फॉर लैंडलॉक्ड सैल्मन, bass fishing in New Hampshire, trout fishing on the Deschutes, and Metolius in Oregon, fishing for salmon on the Columbia, at Bumping Lane in the Cascades. Like ये सारी पानी की जगह पे जहाँ पे भी he went, he had that fear of water. It ruined his fishing trips. It didn't give him joy of canoeing, boating or swimming. मतलब ये जो खुश है, he could never get only all three of this. He tried everything he could to overcome this fear, but वो जो उसका बचपन के experiences है, that brought him terror. But ठीक है, finally one October he decided to get an instructor and learn to swim. He went to the pool, he practiced 5 days a week. The instructor put a belt, he attached the rope. Like with all safety instructions, he tried to train. Like धीरे धीरे the panic was there, but each time it would be okay, better than okay. Like 3-4 महीने की practice के बाद the tension began to slack. फिर धीरे धीरे the instructor taught him how to put his face under water and exhale, raise my nose and inhale. He repeated all of this. धीरे धीरे वो panic उसके अंदर से चला गया. Like then he asked him to kick with his legs at the side of the pool. For weeks वो वही कर रहा था. Gradually, like by this is the most important line. Piece by piece, he built a swimmer. Like धीरे धीरे by putting up small parts, small efforts, he learned to swim. He put them together in an integrated whole. And later on, वो अक्टूबर से ट्रेन कर रहा था. In April, the instructor said, "Now you can swim. Dive off and swim the length of the pool. Crawl, stroke." He did, and the instructor was finished. तो बेसिकली उसने उसकी ट्रेनिंग धीरे धीरे खत्म हो गई. उसके इंस्ट्रक्टर ने उसको सब सिखाया करवाया in the pool. Now he's fine. He can learn. He can swim by himself. Now he wondered that if he would like अब अभी तक तो उसके साथ आज वो इंस्ट्रक्टर था. अगर वो नहीं होता तो will he be terror stricken or will he be able to swim? He tried. Like थोड़े थोड़े टेरर आते रहे. थोड़ा थोड़ा he was scared, but later on he would be okay. But now he could frown at terror and say, trying to scare me. Hey, well, yours to you, look. And off he had go for another. Like he was just playing around with the terror now. ये जुलाई तक चलता रहा, but still he was not satisfied. He wanted to be sure that his terror had left him. So he went to the lake Wentworth in New Hampshire. He dived off a dock at Triggs Island and swam 2 miles across the lake to stand back line. He swam the crawl, breaststroke, side stroke, and backstroke. Like बस एक ही बार जब वो बीच की लेक पे था, he felt panic, but then he was fine. He saw nothing. Like नीचे कुछ bottom ही नहीं था, बस पानी पानी था. So when his sensation returned, his terror returned, he laughed it off and said, "Well, Mr. Terror, what do you think you can do to me?" It fled and he swam on. Yet he had some residual doubts, and उसको फिर भी वो डाउट हो रहा था कि will he be able to still swim. So then he hurried west, went up the Tartan to Conrad Meadows, up the Conrad Creek Trail to Mead Glacier, and camped in the high meadow by the side of the Worm Lake. Worm Lake याद रखना है. The next morning, he dived into the lake and swam across to the other shore and back, just as Duke Corcoran used to do. He shouted with joy, like when he realized he had conquered his fear of water. Like अब उसका वो डर निकल गया था. Like this experience had a very deep meaning for him, as जिन्होंने ये बात experience की होगी वही बता पाएंगे. In death there is peace. They say only in the fear of death. Like all we have to fear is fear itself. मतलब अगर एक बार उसका वो डर निकल गया, फिर there is nothing to be scared about. He had experienced more and still his will to live somehow grew. Now he felt released, free to walk the trails and climb the peaks and brush aside fear. That's the end of the story. जिसका स्टोरी का बस यही मतलब है that try to not fear everything. Be brave enough. Like कुछ भी हो, panics will come. You will get haunted. कुछ past experience आगे बचपन में हो सकता है. किसी को light से होता है, किसी को electricity से होता है. But learn to overcome them. Like ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं जो permanent होता है. You can any day overcome it. no matter what. So learn to do that. Thank you.